Hello everybody, it's Poe Legacy Construction LLC coming at you with vinyl flooring / composite flooring. Today we are laying down some composite engineered flooring, pre-padded, and the first thing you're going to want to start off with is cleaning the floor, making sure you have nothing under your floor. This floor is floating, it doesn't get nailed down because it clips in together. So anything under the floor will make a noise or will cause a bump in the floor. You don't want that. When laying your floor, we like to start with the longest straight wall. So we pull 8 foot from one corner and 8 foot in the other corner and pop a straight line. We don't have a video of it, unfortunately. But once you've popped your line and have 2 runs, measure across from the end of your second run to your line in both corners to see if you're level with your floor. So when starting the floor, just take a full piece and lay it in the corner. Connect your second piece by just pushing it in, and so on. Once you get to a wall where you have to make a cut, flip the board around, mark your board with a pencil, and then you have several options of cutting. We have a floor press with us, which makes cutting this floor very easy. You can also use a knife or a skill saw. The leftovers from your cut, use as your starter for your next run if you're doing a random pattern. If you're doing a 50-50, you might have to cut it down or may not be able to use it at all. When tapping in flooring together, so you don't have any cracks or spaces between flooring, use a tap block and a mallet, or a dead blow, or a hammer with a light hit. Don't beat the floor with the hammer because you'll break it. It's very delicate. With just the right pressure, it'll click in. For warranty purposes, depending on what floor you're installing, you may not want to go super tight to the wall. You may have to leave a 1/4 inch gap. once you've laid your first 2 rows and you've measured to your line and your level with your floor, stack the rest of your flooring. Stack the rest of your flooring on top of your 2 rows to put weight down to hold your floor down so it doesn't move when you're tapping in the next runs. And eventually, when you have enough runs, the floor will hold itself. When laying down the floor, make sure your edges aren't too wide so that your trim will cover the edge of the floor. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.
That 8 inch right there too, where I grabbed it with my fingers. There went GoPro. Oh no. How it went down, I don't know. Where was it? Down over down.